Hi students, today in arithmetic progression let us see some more problems. First question, which term of the AP 4, 9, 14 so on is 89? Look at the problem. First one solution, given AP is 4, 9, 14 so on 89. So which term of the AP is this 89? Okay, so what is this 89? I told you yesterday this is called last term, right? Last term or nth term, Tn equal to, what is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is first term and D is common difference. Okay, so whenever we are given the last term, make use of this formula. Nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. First term is what? First term A equal to 4. Next, common difference. Common difference. What is common difference formula? D equal to T2 minus T1. So 9 minus 4 will be 5. Also, what is the last term? Also, last term Tn equal to 89. We should find the value of n, right? So what is the formula for last term? A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 89. Now substitute the values of A and D here. So what will you get? 4 plus n minus 1 into D value 5 equal to 89. So n minus 1 into 5 equal to 89 plus 4 will be minus 4. So n minus 1 into 5 equal to 85. So n minus 1 equal to 85 into 5 will be by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So n minus 1 equal to 17. N equal to 17 minus 1 will be plus 1. So n equal to how much? 80. So what does it mean? Which term of the AP is 89? So 18th term of given AP is 89. So what is the 18th term of given AP? That is 89. Okay, that is the end of solution. Look at the second question. Find the middle term of the AP. Second solution. Find the middle term of the AP. Middle term of the AP. Okay? Given AP. 6, 13, 20, so on, 2, 1, 6. So already I told you, what is the last term here? 2, 1, 6. This is the called last term or nth term. Remember always. What is nth term? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is called general term, nth term or last term. Okay. What is the first term here? First term of given AP small a equal to 6. Next, common difference. How do you find common difference? D equal to T2 minus T1. So 13 minus 6, 7. Okay. So what is the common difference here? 7. Also, we are given the last term. Last term Tn equal to 216. Now I am going to find the value of n. What is formula for last term? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 216. What is a here? 6 plus n minus 1 into d value 7 equal to 216. So n minus 1 into 7 equal to 216 plus 6 will be minus 6. So n minus 1 into 7 equal to 210, right? So 7 send that side. It is in the multiplication. So 210 by 7. 7 3 is 21. So n minus 1 equal to 30. N equal to 30 minus 1 will be plus 1. So 31. So how many terms are there? 31 terms are there here. Number of terms in given AP is 31. Number of terms how many? 31. In that what will be the middle term? Total 31 terms are there. This side 15, that side 15. If you remove 16th term will be the middle term, right? 16th term will be the clearly. If there are 31 terms, what is the middle term? 31 plus 1 by 2. 32 by 2. Formula you can take n plus 1 upon 2. So 31 plus 1. 32 by 2 means 60. So clearly 16th term is the middle term. Is that clear? If there are 31 terms in the given AP, so what would be the middle term? 16th term is the middle term. Formula n plus 1 upon 2. Okay? So now I want to find the 16th term. Means T16. I told you A plus 15D. What is the 16th term of AP? What is the 16th term of AP? A plus 16 minus 1 into D. So 15D. Okay? So what is A here? 6 plus 15 into D value how much? 7. Common difference is 7. So 6 plus 105. So 111. Right? Therefore, the middle term of given AP is 111. Okay? So what is the middle term? 111. That is the end of solution. Okay? One more problem please. Next question. Third question. Is minus 150 a term of (11, 8, 5, 2)? Question mark. Fourth. Is 310 a term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18, so on. Look at this problem, same model. Third solution we will see. What is the given AP? 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 comma so on. Okay, first term of AP, first term is 11. What is common difference? What is common difference? D equal to T2 minus T1, 8 minus 11, so minus 3. Okay. Also, what is given here? Minus 150, a term of, let us take it as again nth term. Whenever it is asked like that, consider it is as nth term or last term or general term. Okay. Tn equal to minus 150. Nth term, let us consider it as nth term. I will find out the value of n. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 150. So what is a value here? 11 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 3 equal to minus 150. So 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Send 11 that side first. Send 11 that side. N minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 150 plus 11 will be minus 11. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 161. So n minus 1 equal to minus 161 upon minus 3. Minus minus cancel. N equal to 161 by 3 minus 1 will be plus 1. Now take LCM. So n equal to, what is LCM here? 3. 161 ones are 161 plus 3. So n equal to 164 by 3. It is not a positive integer. N is what here? N value. N means it is a term. So it should be always a positive integer, means natural number. Okay. We cannot get as fraction here n value. N value should be always a positive integer, means natural number. But we got here fraction, rational number we got. So we will never get minus 150 in this progression. That is the question. What is that question? Is minus 150 a term of this? So we will never get minus 150 as a term of given AP. Therefore, minus 150 cannot be a term of given AP. Clear? Same problem next also. Look at, I will explain that also. What is given AP here? What is given AP? 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma 18 comma so on. What is the first term? What is the first term? 3. Common difference 8 minus 3. How much? 5. Tn also is given here. What is that? 310. So let me make it equal to 310 and find out the value of n. Whether we are going to get n as a natural number or not. Okay, 310. Now substitute. 3 plus n minus 1 into d value 5 equal to 310. So n minus 1 into 5 equal to 310 minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 equal to 310 minus 3 how much? 307. So n minus 1 equal to 307 by 5. Minus 1 will be plus 1. 307 by 5 plus 1. Take LCM as before. So n equal to 5 LCM 307 plus 5. So n equal to 312 by 5. So it is not cancelled again. It doesn't belong to natural number. It is not a natural number. Since it is not a positive integer, so we will never get 310 as term of given AP. Anywhere we will never get this 310. Okay? That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.